How's it going? My name is Aaron Capdeboss. I'm a jeweler and gemologist, and I'm the owner of DeBosque Fine Jewelry Manufacturing in Mandeville, Louisiana. I'm a certified gemologist. I'm a certified jeweler, and I'm also certified since 1997 as a jeweler through Jewelers of America. I have been operating DeBosque Fine Jewelry since 2003, and I've been making a living as a jeweler since 1997. So I have seen a lot of jewelry. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments below. Okay, today on Let's Ask the Jeweler, that's me. What is the difference between carat with a C and carat with a K? This is a good one. It's very simple, but it's silly that they would use the same word spelled differently. But they did. And I don't know who's responsible for this, but it was silly. It was a silly thing to do. Carat with a C is in reference to weight. It is a unit of measure for gemstone weights. The word carat comes from the caro bean. This is an interesting little tidbit. Before they had scales, they would take these little beans from the caro tree, and when these little beans dry, they're very, very uniform in their weight. And so they would use these little beans, they drop them on the scale, and that's how they would weigh the gemstone. So however many caro beans, they would use that because it was a very precise size. They were very uniform. So anyway, pretty cool. So that's carat with a C. So carat with a C is a unit of weight for gemstones. Now, carat with a K is a little bit different. That is a measurement of purity, metal purity in particular. So 24 karat gold is pure gold. Now the Europeans use a decimal system for this. So 14 karat gold, for example, is 14 parts gold and 10 parts alloy. So 14 karat is 0.585 or 58.5% gold. So if you see a piece of jewelry that is stamped 750, that's 75% pure gold, and the remainder will be alloy. So 18 karat gold is 75% gold and 25% alloy. 10 karat gold is 41 point something, 41.3, I forget. But it's just over 41% gold for 10 karat. So it's a little confusing. They used similar sounding words, but I think it's silly that they did that. But anyway, what you gonna do? So that's the difference between carat with a C and carat with a K. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments below.